My name's Liam from Econ Group. I'm head of operations for the business. The site that we're working on today is part of a massive redevelopment scheme in North London.
Hi, I'm Jamie from Econ Group. I'm a contracts manager for the Demolition division here. My day-to-day role at Econ Group is looking after contracts like this one behind me. We're currently demolishing 16 houses along with 3 masonette blocks at 3 stories high, crushing the material to be reused on site.
My name's Ross Evans. I'm a site manager for Econ Group. Behind me we have the Komatsu PC490. He's coming through the building with a selector grab rather than just knocking it down. We're segregating all the materials from the building: clean wood, general waste, iron, non-ferrous metals, plastic windows. They're all going to separate recycling waste.
My name's Joe McKinley, machine driver at Econ. Currently I'm on the munching pile. So basically I just pulverise the concrete to get the iron out, and then we can recycle both.
Because it is a tough industry, one of the things that we were looking for is a machine that's purpose-built for the industry that we want to put it to work in. Komatsu is one of the only manufacturers out there built in the UK that they come straight off of that production line if you order it in Demolition spec with all the bells and whistles.
Demolition spec is the front cage, top cage, bulletproof screen in the front, the side rails, the ram guards and the thicker belly plates.
Doing my research, there are a number of competitors in our sector that are still continuing to run Komatsu -7s, -8s, and that shows that they are able to stand the test of time. We currently typically look to run a machine between 5 to 6 years and then look to replace, and that way we get the best value out of the product. And of course, more importantly, at the back end, when you look to sell the product, you get a brilliant residual value. We started our journey with Marubeni Komatsu in 2020, and we purchased a single PC210-11. And then when we came to look at continuing to grow and renew the fleet in 2024, there was really only one front runner that stood out for us, and that was Komatsu.
Okay, so I'm Doug Arnold. I'm the area sales manager for Marubeni Komatsu. I look after London and the South East. I've been working quite closely with the team at Econ Group to get the specification right on a package of machines, which they took around about 12 months ago. They moved on from there into the early part of this year and increased that with some more machines. Very exacting standards when it comes to both quality and specification of machines.
We looked at the PC170, which is a very unique machine in the UK market and is fantastic and very adaptable for all sorts of situations that we as a business face. We purchased an additional PC210, PC290, PC360, and just last month we took delivery of the largest machine in the fleet, which is the PC490, and all of those machines have been absolutely flawless. The service, support and backup from Marubeni has been exceptional. Regular phone calls, fast responses. When we took delivery of each of the new machines, we wanted to give the operators a sense that the machine was also theirs as well as the businesses, and we decided to name each and every one of them. So if you take Bucktooth behind me, for example, when it has a large pulverizer muncher on it, it has a tooth, reminds them of a dinosaur, hence the name Bucktooth.
The PC170 is named after me, the Dugosaurus.
By keeping one operator on one machine, we find that it works better, they look after the machines better, they keep them clean, tidied, well maintained, and then the operator also learns the capabilities of that machine.
With the Komatsu machine, you have all the settings and functionalities within the machine to have the full array of attachments.
There's literally one button and it opens up a whole menu of all the different attachments you could possibly need, and at the click of a button, all pressures, all programmed in, ready to go straight away.
Comtrax is a unique feature, a part of the Komatsu brand on their excavators, and we have found that really useful.
So we use the intelligence side with the built-in systems. Our plant manager can see the idling times, the working times, when they're in power mode.
Not only out on site when we can educate the operators so they can learn from excess idling, operating in the wrong mode, all bringing efficiencies to fuel and helping our carbon footprint, but also at tendering stage, how fantastic it is to go in front of a client, to give that data over in a presentation helps us win and secure more work for the future, and more work for the future means more continued investment in a great product. I believe that the Komatsu in the UK, with Marubeni supporting us and being behind us, has a combination of both. Fantastic product, brilliant customer service, bringing together a winning combination, and that's why we continue to invest in Komatsu.